everybody. So, when you are asked to write or describe a picture, for people that are beginners, often this is a very hard thing to do. You get lost and very confused and you don't know what to write. Has this happened to you? Well, don't worry, because as it happens, this happens to most people when they first start writing a paragraph or an essay. Today is going to be a bit of a guide as into what to look for and what to write. So let's start. Here is a picture. What can you see in the picture? Use your ideas. Do you have any ideas? These following questions will help you to think a little bit better and to be able to write a little bit better about what you see in the picture. Let's start with, what time of the year is it? Is it spring, summer, winter, or autumn? What are the people's names? If it's people you know, well, you can write their name. But if it's just a random picture and you don't know, just give them any names. Where are they? Look at the picture carefully. What do you think? What's the name of this place? How and when did they get there? How do we know? So, have a think about how they got there. What time of the day is it? Have a look at the picture again. There's a sun in the picture. That will help you tell you what time of the day it is. Look at the picture again. You can see the boy is sitting. What's he doing? He's reading a book. What do you think is in the book? What do you think he should be reading while he is out there? What do you think they're going to do next? Again, look at the picture. Are they going to eat lunch? No. They're going to continue what? Reading books, climbing? Take a look at the picture. So now I'm going to take all those answers from what we were just speaking about and put it all in a paragraph. These are all the answers that I came up with from what we were just speaking about, and I've put it into a paragraph. So this is what I have. It's spring and Jane and Paul are in the snowy mountains. So what does that look at? It looks at 1. The time of year. 2. What are their names? And 3. Where are they? They came here in the early morning by bus. Now it's 10 o'clock and the boy is looking at his map. Next, after this, they are going to climb to the top of the mountain. What an exciting adventure. So you see, now you have a paragraph. It's that simple. If you just follow and look and think about what you're looking at, will give you a lot of the answers. A good story usually has names, places, and other information. Now, you can try to do it. Find a few pictures of your own and write about 6 or 7 sentences. You can even use those same questions that we already used to help you write. Remember, a good story has names and places and all sorts of other information. Remember, be adventurous with your story. Keeping the reader's attention is the key to the story. Otherwise, they will be very bored and won't want to read what you have written. That's it for today. So, until next time, I'll see you later. Bye!